there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we are looking at the word problem. The sum of the first n consecutive even numbers is given by this formula, s equals n to the second plus n, where n is greater than or equal to 2. What's the value of n when the sum is 156? So this is saying when s is 156, what is the value of n? So I'm going to make that substitution. I'm going to put 156 in for n. In for s, the sum, and we're going to solve for n. Now with any quadratic, you want to go ahead and get all of the terms on one side. And the reason is because you want 0 on one side of the equation. All right, now we're asking ourselves, if we use an x to organize our information, what two numbers will multiply to give me negative 156, but will add to give me positive 1? And you may be wondering, where did she get that positive 1 from? It's right here, this number that's understood to be in front of the n there. So I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 156, but add to give me positive 1. And those two numbers are going to be 13 and negative 12. So you may play around with your numbers that multiply to give you negative 156 until you can get two numbers that will multiply to give you negative 156, but add to give you 1. Now, what do we do with those? Well, we put them in a parentheses with an n, and then we set each parentheses equal to 0. So n plus 13 equals 0, and n minus 12 equals 0. And then we solve. So we subtract 13 from both sides. We get n is equal to negative 13. And then we add 12 to both sides. And we get that n is equal to 12. Now, we have two solutions, and it asks us for what is the value of n. So we have to be really careful to look back at the instructions. Notice that they told us that n had to be greater than or equal to 2. So n equaling negative 13 is not going to work. And my answer is that n is 12. So I hope this helps you. We used several methods here. We used the AC method. I'll link some more examples of the AC method in the cards for you if you want to take a look at some other problems like that. I hope this helps.